Hello everyone! Today I'm going to teach you how to use and download data packs in any world in Minecraft. First things first, you have to launch Minecraft. Open your Minecraft game, select a world, go to the single player menu, and choose the world you want to install the data pack. Edit the world, then click on Edit button next to your selected world. Open World folder. In the World options, click on the Open World folder button. This will open the folder where your world's files are stored. Locate the Data Packs folder. Inside the World folder, find and open the Data Packs folder. If this folder doesn't exist, you can create a new folder and name it Data Packs. Place the data pack. Drag and drop the downloaded zip file of the data pack into the Data Packs folder. Lastly, reload the game.